In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get back deleted photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then let's say I want to remove a photo. To do that, we can just long press at that photo and then hit add delete, and when we click add delete, this photo will not actually be deleted but will be moved to a special album where that photo will be stored for 30 days, and only after that will be deleted. So I'll just click add delete, then delete photo, and now let me show you how we can easily recover or restore that photo. All we have to do, guys, is just scroll down, and at the very bottom we can easily find recently deleted album. We can just get into it, and that's where we can easily find all the photos we have deleted within 30 days. And if we want to get back some photo or video, all we have to do is just long press at that photo and then click add recover. What that will do, that will move this photo back to your camera roll. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.